fun. This is great. It's amazing to be here on the coast of the Basque Country and just covered in snow. And Echo, he's given me a ride up the hill on his 4x4, which is awesome. Chris, Mikkel? Bye. Grew up in Sydney, I don't know how to ski. Do an interview, everyone I meet, I'll interview on the way down. Oh, this is wonderful. Woohoo. A walk in the beautiful snow. How's the day going for you?
Very nice. We are not going to school, no university, no work. We are very, very happy.
As I was going down, I hit a rock and slid on the rock bottom here. It's actually on the Camino de Santiago. So I nailed myself. Although I was wearing knee pads. Whoa, so glad I was wearing that. Ouch. Getting some speed here. Woohoo! Going on. So here's the town of Guitarria. The island is covered in snow. This is Balenciaga Museum behind us, and school's out, university's out, so everyone is out enjoying the snow. There is an escalator down here. I might be able to get my ski lift all the way back up. Let's go down to the Michelin star restaurant El Cano. Has this happened many times in Guitarria?
I don't think so. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Moving on. There's always got to be some guy skiing down the main road. So we're taking over the roads. School is out. Snow day.